Guys, back with another video. Today we're actually in the beach and we're gonna be feeding some birds. Here's my brother. Say hello.
Hello.
Alright, we're both gonna be feeding some birds.
We have some
Let's go.
birds.
Look at these.
So cute.
And this is the ocean, guys. Look at it.
Wait, throw it in there, they'll catch it.
Look, guys, if I throw it in the air, you see that? Some of them will catch it. See that? Look at that, guys. This is so cute. Look. It's actually super cool. How about this here? He's feeding too.
Yep.
Oh look, he's eating it from the floor too. That's cool.
Oh, look how many.
Up in the air.
Oh,
Oh, he didn't catch it.
look, watch it.
Oh, that guy, you said that bird right there, he caught it.
Look, watch it.
Oh,
Look above you.
Oh, he ate it. That bird right there. Look at him. He almost caught it. Okay, let's feed some of them that are on the floor. Like the pigeons here. Whee. Oh, one of them caught it.
Yeah, the birds hit the jackpot.
Oh my, he chews so much. Oh my gosh. They're starting to make a lot of sound too. Oh my gosh, look, it's so cute.
Oh, look how many there is. We have the army.
Look at it. Look, it's so cute too. There's so many. Up in the sky. There, look at this bird right there. He has a big piece of bread. That's funny. Oh, this one's sitting on the bench. Look at him. Oh, look at these two. Oh, this one right here.
Yeah, come look at this.
Oh,
Look
there's so many. There's so many. They're all standing up in lines over. Why does it look like that? That's interesting. So cute. Here, let me get up. Let me get a good view. There, look, there's so many. All right. Look at it. Look at it. It's so cute. Karim, come from this view. Come up here so they can come right here.
Alright, wait, what?
So we can get a better view, I guess.
Okay.
No, still we're like right here on the grass.
Here?
Oh look, there's some coming here, guys. Let's see if they can catch up back in the sky. Ah, oops.
Oh, one of them caught it.
Come on. Here. Let me get a piece of bread for them. Imagine I just feed them the whole thing, just for one bird. Look at it. Look. Come on, they need to come. Oh, look. Oh, one of them caught it in the sky.
It's so fun.
Dang, they're actually catching it from the sky, guys. Oh, come on, eat it. Yes. Come. No.
I hear there's like white ones that look back.
Oh, yeah. Well, yeah, they're all different. Oh. Well, he just like took it from the. Oh, look, this picture. No. They were fighting for it. You saw that? Oh, look, this one right there. Oh, come on, come close. Oh, he took it. He snatched it. Oh, big piece. Oh, nice. Here, in the middle. Oh, look at this one. Look at that one. He wants a piece. Come on. The other guy took it. The other bird took it. Come on, get it. Heels go. He got a piece. So on this side too, so everyone can get some. Oh, look at them over there. There's also some. Let's start. Oh, on the big piece. Oh, this bird took it. But thanks, yeah. Oh, there's also a plane. Imagine, let's feed the plane. Yep, keep feeding. So high. Oh. Yes, come. Oh. Come on, catch it. Nice. Catch it. Oh, he did. There's like.
Jackpot
There's,
bonus.
oh my.
Oh, they're so cute.
Yep. All right. We're about to finish. Come on. Enjoy.
Wait, do you think they'll eat from our hands?
Yeah. Oh, let's see. Put a piece.
They're hesitating.
Nope, they're not doing it. Oh, they want it. Yeah, I'm just. Hey, he caught it. All right, last cup. And come on. Hey guys, you see this big piece? Look at this. Come on. Hey, that bird caught it. Let me show you the beach, by the way, guys. Oh, they're running away. Bye, birds. Look at it, guys. Oh, there's that bird too. Yep.
Oh, look at these guys. Oh, look at this, guys.
Oh my. Alright guys, that'll be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you soon for another cool video. Bye bye.